Refresh your kitchen, upgrade your cookware today. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very practical phrase that you might come across in your daily life or when shopping for home essentials: update your cookware. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's about renewal and improvement. Stay tuned as we break down its meaning and usage, making it easy for you to understand and apply in real-life situations. Update your cookware is a phrase that suggests replacing old or worn-out kitchen utensils and appliances with new ones. The word update here means to make something more modern or suitable for use by adding new products or information. Cookware, on the other hand, refers to items used for cooking, such as pots, pans, spoons, and other cooking utensils. This phrase is commonly seen in advertisements, cooking blogs, and stores that sell kitchen items. It appeals to the desire for improvement, whether for better cooking experience, safety, or to keep up with the latest kitchen technology and trends. Updating your cookware can be important for several reasons. 1. Safety. Older cookware might not meet current safety standards. For example, certain coatings can wear off and become harmful. 2. Efficiency. Newer models of pots, pans, and appliances often cook more evenly and faster, saving you time and energy. 3. Health. Advances in materials can make newer cookware healthier to use, such as non-stick surfaces that require less oil. 4. Enjoyment. Fresh, modern cookware can inspire you to try new recipes and enjoy cooking more. Understanding the motivations behind updating cookware can help learners grasp the broader context of the phrase and its relevance in everyday conversations about home and lifestyle improvements. Let's look at how to use update your cookware in sentences. I decided to update my cookware after noticing how unevenly my old pans cooked. Our wedding registry is mostly updating our cookware, as we love to cook together. Experts recommend updating your cookware every few years to take advantage of new cooking technologies. By practicing these examples, learners can become comfortable with the phrase and understand how to incorporate it into their English conversations and writing. Updating your cookware is more than just a shopping decision. It's a step towards safer, more enjoyable, and efficient cooking experiences. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of update your cookware in everyday English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in the next video.